Hello, my name is Michael Mara. I'm coming to you from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. I'd like you to take a step aboard our new 2019 310 SLX IO. Hop aboard. So as you walk on to the boat, look at the expansive space you have for entertainment. You have a beautiful teak table, wraparound seating here, and then also you have a seat for another couple people here. So you got 6, 7 people here, 2 people here, and you can put another 2 people right here. Now this seat will actually turn and spin. Oops, right here. So you can face forward as well. A couple more things about this cockpit. You also have a grill up here with a sink. Underneath the grill, you have a full refrigerator. And you have some storage down here for a trash can. All right. As you see, the whole boat has snap-in C-deck flooring. Okay, so this is nice and easy on your feet. It's not too hot in the summer, and it's also, you can't slip on it when it's wet. Okay, so why don't you come forward a little bit. Here's the helm of the 310. So everything's digital. Okay, everything's fly-by-wire. Your throttles, steering. This comes equipped with a joystick system, okay? So this is like a joystick piloting for docking, okay? Or maneuvering around a gas dock, bridge, etc. So you can move and dock the whole boat simply with your fingertips here. If you look down over here, you also have a skyhook setting. You hit that button, the boat will stay still. Talks to a satellite in space, tells the boat where to sit. So if you're waiting on a bridge to open, or you're waiting for a spot to open up on a dock, fuel dock, you simply hit that and the boat will relatively stay in the place where you push the button. So the boat comes equipped with the twin Simrad systems. It's a great, easy, user-friendly system. So it kind of functions as your smartphone does. So you have all your tabs, right? So you have a chart here. Then you can maybe do your, look at your bottom there. So you can see your depth of the water, where you're running on this side, and then you can do your nav app there. You can have a different view of your chart. So there's 100 different ways that you can set this up, whatever's best for you when you're piloting the boat, okay? And all your switches here, very nice and forward, easy to use. Then you have the upgraded new stereo system made by Fusion. It's called the Fusion Apollo. Okay, so let's turn over this direction. Look at the size of this head. Remember, this is a day boat. Look at the size of this and the amount of detail in this head. So you have your sink, your toilet, you even have a port that you can open on the side. And over here, you have a nice little glove box, also with a 12 volt you can plug in. So you can charge your phones, maybe use the spotlight if you're out at night, okay? So coming forward, let me stop you here. So this is where all your switch panels are going to be on the boat, okay? Everything you need is right here, easy to access. Couldn't get any more simpler and user-friendly than that. So you shut your wind door and come up on the bow. So we have an area up here for 2 tables. So the 2 tables will sit here, okay? And where you can have a large table in the middle. And then look at the wraparound seating you have. And the comfort up here and the quality of craftsmanship that Simrad uses in their upholstery and the way they design the boat is bar none, best in this class. So coming forward, we have a windlass system with a remote. You can stand back and operate it from here, okay? And then you have a front shower, and all your nav lights and everything are sitting right there as well. And then you have a spotlight which you can control from the helm. Okay, so there's so many things involved with this boat. This just makes it one of the most popular day boats that we sell here at MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. So a few things I'd like to show you as we leave the boat on the back. Let me just turn around here. So let's come out on the swim platform. This is where I'm going to leave you guys. There's a ton of room to enjoy the sun. You have adjustable seats back here. So few different settings. You can pull it all the way forward and it resets down flush. You can sit 3 or 4 people across this, 2 people, however you want to set it up. And then you have access to jump in the water, and then off that side underneath you is your ladder, your access ladder on the starboard side of the boat. So if you have any more questions, please feel free to call us at any time at MarineMax Somers Point, 609-926-0600. You have a great day. We'll see you on the water.